Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Battle Net account page and signing in. This makes the link immediate. Next, install the Blizzard Authenticator app on your phone and grant required permissions so it can run in the background. Once done, choose to add an authenticator in your account settings. This generates a QR code or key. Make sure to note recovery options now, because saving them prevents lockout later and speeds any future recovery. Now you scan the QR code with the app or type the 16-character key if scanning fails. That pairs the device to your account. After pairing, the app displays a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds, so enter it immediately to verify. Once verified, enable backup methods like SMS or printed recovery codes to avoid being locked out. This layered approach ensures you can sign in even if your phone is lost or the app is reset. Complete setup by confirming that the authenticator is active and testing a login. This proves everything works. Then securely store printed recovery codes and note the backup phone or email you enabled, because those are your fallbacks. If you lose the authenticator or codes, try SMS or email recovery first. If those fail, contact Blizzard support and provide account details and proof of ownership. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.